Hi, you guys. This is Antoinette coming to you from Creations PS91. I'm coming to you guys today because I had a subscriber ask me a question about the baskets that I made a couple of videos ago. Now, let me tell you her question. Her question was, how do you get them to stand up? Mine do not. And I said, what a great thing to talk about, right? Because that's what we do. We work it up and we talk about it. So I thought that was so a great question, first of all. And it lets me know somebody is out there doing, someone else has the kit. So it was so awesome. I didn't want to just answer it in writing form. I was like, good question. Let's talk about this. So let's talk about it. Okay, so she said that hers, let me get my baskets. Okay, so these are my baskets. Now my baskets has this form. They stand up. Okay. That was the small one. I don't know if you guys remember. This one is the actual, this is the other one, the medium one. And when I place them down, they actually sit up. They stand up. And this is the red one. And they sit up. So hers do not. So as I was thinking about this, you guys, I was thinking when I made these. And when I made these baskets, the stitch marker was my friend. Counting was my friend. So I am thinking maybe somewhere in the construction of crocheting in the round, where maybe there could have been some stuff missed or something like that. I have not seen the baskets, so I don't know if they just won't stand up on their own, but from the question, that's what I'm getting, that they just won't even hold a form. And my basket do. And what I did, I just followed it to the T. The pattern. And I remember that I had to just count. I know when you make the first one, you think that going around is the same. It's just you stop at a certain point. And of course, the bottom is not. It determines the size of it. But it's not. You have to make sure you read each and every one of the patterns for each basket. Another thing I was thinking of, maybe the hook size. I know if you went up a hook size, I can see that, because as I was looking at these baskets, the way it is constructed is the half double crochets are literally like sitting on each other. So I'm thinking if it's collapsing and it won't, create a circle form, then somewhere in that construction of counting, you know, maybe you missed or, or something like that, could have happened, as you was doing your basket. But like I said, again, I don't know what the baskets look like. Subscriber, you do know who you are. I would love to see the basket. If you can post a picture in here, or I'm on Facebook, Instagram, that would be great. I would love to see the actual baskets that you created. And anybody else out there who gets the kit and is working up these, the things each month, the crochet projects each month. Oh my word, that would just be awesome for us to come together, commune, talk about it. I think that would just be awesome. So and if anybody else, comments, anything like that, I'm sure it will help the subscriber who asked this. But this is what I think it might be, something in the construction of the circle, working in the circle, because I'm telling you, I had to keep my eye on this circle business, and I was counting as well. So I truly can feel the struggle when working these up, but yet so enjoyable at the same time. So I really hope that helped. And since I got you guys here, our project that I've been working on is the hand towels, which I revealed after the shawl. So let me show you my progress where I'm at. Okay, so this is the shawl. I mean, these are the hand towels. If you guys remember. So these are the hand towels right here. And let me just tell you how far I've gotten. This right here, let me bring this over here. Sorry, you guys. Okay, so this is the gray. This is the gray one. And what I've done is I've worked the body of it. Okay, so this is the body of it. Okay, and then this part, I got to round 5 up on the top part. And yeah, we're gonna have to talk about that one. But so I've already worked the body of the gray, and let me show you the turquoise. This is the turquoise of it. And I just want you guys to know I am in love with this yarn. This, okay, I'm save it. We're gonna talk about it, but this is the body for the turquoise one. And I haven't did the yellow yet at all. So I am doing that right there. And I think that's it for me, you guys. I wanted to just come on and ask that question for that subscriber, which I think is awesome. And I think anything, questions, comments, you know, let's come together and help each other out. I think that's a beautiful thing. And so I guess the next time you guys see me, it will be when I am talking about those hand towels. All right, you guys. And remember, when you're working with your hands, you always have peace within your heart. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.